This is Saurabh. Welcome to the GL setup video. Now in this video we are going to understand the structure of the company which we intend to set up in our GL module. Okay, so the name of the hypothetical company which we intend to set up in the GL module is Vision Web Tutor Corporation. Okay, now the ledger name which will be associated with this Vision Web Tutor Corporation will be called Vision Web Tutor Ledger. Right now, a ledger comprises of four entities: chart of account, currency, calendar, and subledger accounting method. Now, for those of you who are aware about the GL setup of 11i, in 11i this ledger used to be known as setup book or SOB, and it used to comprise of three C's: chart of account, currency, and calendar. Right, so this setup book has been renamed and reintroduced as a ledger in the 12i, and along with the three C's which already used to exist in 11i in the SOB, they have added one more constituent in this ledger, and the name of the constituent is subledger accounting method. Okay, now the ledger Vision Web Tutor ledger which we are going to create in this training will comprise of these four entities, namely the name of the chart of account will be Vision Web Tutor COA, the name of the functional currency in which the day-to-day transaction of this company will happen will be USD or US dollar. The calendar will be a fiscal calendar of US, and the name of the calendar will be Vision Web Tutor fiscal year. Right, and the subledger accounting method will be a seeded subledger accounting method of EBS called as Oracle Standard Accrual. Okay, so now let us understand the different segments which the chart of account of Vision Web Tutor will comprise of. Okay, now different segments of chart of account can be used to determine the different levels at which the company would like to capture their accounting information. Right, for example, in this hypothetical setup which we are doing, the Vision Web Tutor COA will comprise of 8 segments. So this means that whenever this company enters any accounting information, that accounting information can be captured at these 8 levels, which starts from the name of the company and ends with the name of one of the future segments, future 2. Right, so as we can see on the screen, we have decided to set up a COA with 8 segments, namely company, department, account, sub account, product, employee, future 1, and future 2. Okay, now in order for the system to understand the exact purpose of each of these segments, we need to tag each segment with something called as a qualifier. Okay, so later in the later videos we will see that as far as the accounting flex field is concerned, there can be 6 qualifiers. Okay, so out of those 6 qualifiers, 3 are the mandatory qualifiers, namely the balancing segment, the cost center, and the natural account. Okay, so in our setup we are going to make the company segment as the balancing segment. So this means that the balance sheet of the system will be drawn at the company level. Right, then the department would be made as the cost center. Right, so this cost center qualifier has some importance with respect to the fixed asset module of Oracle also. Right, and lastly, the sub account segment is going to be made as the natural account. So natural account means the actual natural ledgers against which the company normally do the accounting reporting. Right, like ledgers like sales ledger, purchase ledger, cost of goods sold ledger, expense ledger, and all. Thank you.